Hello student, I am your maths teacher Sultan Mehdi. In this video we will discuss about the class 6 math, chapter 2 factors and multiples. Exercise 2a, question number 1 is that define factor, multiple, give 5 examples of each. So first we will discuss about the factor on this slide. A factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. For example, 2 is a factor of 8 because when we multiply 2 into 4, so we will find 8, so that is why 2 is a factor of 8. Same as 5 is a factor of 15, 9 is a factor of 27, 4 is a factor of 20, and 3 is a factor of 12. To discuss about the multiple, let's go to the next slide. Here we will discuss about the multiple. A number is said to be a multiple of any of its factors. For example, here also the 5 example of multiple, and example number 1 is 15 is a multiple of 3, 8 is a multiple of 4, 10 is a multiple of 2, 25 is a multiple of 5, 18 is a multiple of 9. On this slide, we will discuss the second question of this exercise. Write down all the factors of 20, 36, 60 and 75. So, we will discuss the two part of this question, and the remaining two part you have to complete in homework. So, first part is, we know that 20 is equal to 1 into 20, 20 is equal to 2 into 10, 20 is equal to 4 into 5. Which shows that the numbers 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20 exactly divides 20. So that 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20 are all the factors of 20. Now discuss the second part of this question. We know that 36 is equal to 1 into 36, 36 is equal to 2 into 18, 36 is equal to 3 into 12, 36 is equal to 4 into 9, 36 is equal to 6 into 6. This shows that each of the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36 exactly divides 36. So that 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36 are the factors of 36. Now come to the next slide. On this slide, we will discuss the third question of this exercise. Write the first 5 multiples of each of the following numbers. So, there are 4 numbers in this question. So, we will discuss the first 2 numbers on this slide. First 5 multiples of 17 are 17 into 1 is equal to 17, 17 into 2 is equal to 34, 17 into 3 is equal to 51, 17 into 4 is equal to 68, 17 into 5 is equal to 85. So there are the first 5 multiple of 17. Now discuss the second part of this question. First 5 multiples of 23 are 23 into 1 is equal to 23, 23 into 2 is equal to 46, 23 into 3 is equal to 69, 23 into 4 is equal to 92, 23 into 5 is equal to 115. So there also the 5. And remaining two part of this question you will complete in homework. Now on this slide we are going to discuss the fourth question of this exercise. Which of the following numbers are even and which are odd? So before doing this question, first of all we get to know about the even and odd number. So even number is that all the multiple of 2 is called the even number, like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so on. And the odd number is that the number which is not a multiple of 2 is called the odd number, like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, so on. So we have done the 5 part of this question, and remaining part you have to complete in homework of this question. So first part is 32 is a multiple of 2, so it is an even number. 37 is not a multiple of 2, so it is an odd number. 50 is a multiple of 2, so it is an even number. 58 is also multiple of 2, so it is an even number. 69 is not a multiple of 2, so it is an odd number. Here we are going to discuss the fifth question of this exercise. What are prime numbers? Give 10 examples. Prime numbers, each of the numbers which has exactly two factors, namely 1 and itself, is called a prime number. For examples, the numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23 and 29 are all the prime numbers which has exactly two factors, 1 and itself. So here you can see these numbers exactly have two factors, 1 and itself. Now let's go to the next slide. On this slide we are going to talk the sixth question of this exercise. Write all the prime numbers between 10 and 40, 80 and 100, 40 and 80, 30 and 40. So first part is prime numbers between 10 and 40 are 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31 and 37. In the second part, prime numbers between 80 and 100 are 83, 89 and 97. In the third part, prime numbers between 40 and 80 are 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73 and 79. In the fourth part of this question, prime numbers between 30 and 40 are 31 and 37. On the next slide, we will discuss the seventh question of this exercise. Write the smallest prime numbers. List all even prime numbers. Write the smallest odd prime number. So here you can see the three answers of this question. 2 is the smallest prime number, and second is 2 is the only even prime number, and third is 3 is the smallest odd number. Now we have reached on the next slide. Here we will discuss the 8th question of this exercise. Find which of the following numbers are prime. So there are 4 parts of this question. First part is, we know that 87 is equal to 1 into 87. 87 is equal to 3 into 29. This shows that 1, 3, 2, 9 and 87 are the factor of 87. The number 87 is not a prime number as it has more than 2 factors, because we already know that a prime number has only 2 factors, 1 and itself. In the second part we have 89, and 89 is equal to 1 into 89. The number 89 is a prime number as it has only 2 factors. So we have done 2 parts of this question, and the remaining part of this question you have to complete in homework. Now this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.